Got Cody, 500 yards with a Vortex Strikefire.
At night.
At night, where you can't really even, you can barely set light down there. That's where we're shooting.
The target is kind of...
Those are car lights down there.
Alright, going.
You hit it! Oh. First shot! And you can't hit with the scar?
You hit it with the 10-time magnification, but you can with the red dot?
He's got the U.S. sniper loadout.
That did hit, right?
Yeah, that hit it.
Did you get that on video?
Yes, I did.
That's that was first shot, too. What the freak?
He didn't hit it with 3 shots in the U.S. sniper loadout, but he hit it with the Vortex red dot.
How high were you aiming?
About a foot.
That's so great. I can't believe that.
I don't know if I want to go again. Like that's it's like you want to end on a miss.
It's gonna be hard to beat
or
that.
end on a make. I don't know. What the heck?
No.
No.
No. Should have stopped on that one.
Yeah.
There
it is.
Nice.
Got it twice.
2 for like, I don't know, was that 6 or something? That's pretty good.
That's not bad at all, actually.
At 500 yards with a red dot.